Have you ever wondered what the definition of investing is? What does investing mean? Well, there's many definitions, and I like a few of them. So hopefully in this video, I can, in simple terms, kind of explain what investing truly is. I like to think of investing as committing something for future benefit or profit. Committing something for future benefit or profit. Now, what can that something be? Well, that could be time, that could be your energy, or could be money. And that's what probably most people, when we think of investing, you're thinking of investing in the stock market, investing in nowadays cryptocurrency, investing in real estate for a future benefit or profit. So that's how I like to think of it. You can also think of it like committing resources to earn future profits or earn money in return. People invest in the stock market in the hopes that they'll have more money in the future in return for that investment, where they allocate their resources, their financial resources, in the hopes with an expectation that they will have even more resources, even more money in the future. And so those are some of the common definitions of what, when we discuss what investing truly is, those hopefully are some ways to kind of think about what investing is. Now, investing doesn't always have to be money. You can invest in yourself, invest in your education. So remember the definition I was talking about earlier, committing something for benefit or profit in the future. So if one goes to college, let's say, for 4 years, they're probably not going to make much money during their college years. But what they are investing in is the time in college, in your classes, studying, the energy that it takes, the mental energy to commit, to study, to do well, to pass your classes. So in the hopes, in about 4 or 5 years later, you will have a college education, a college degree that you can get a return on investment from. It allows you to get a certain job in a certain field that will pay you, that you will profit from. But that 4 years that you're in college, you are investing your time. You're investing money too, in many cases. You're investing a lot of money to get that education with the hopes of getting something in return in about 4 or 5 years. And that something in return is a college degree, the skills, the knowledge that helps you get a job, therefore helps you profit in the long term. So that's investing. That's an example of investing in yourself, investing in your education. Those are some different definitions of investing. To me, basically committing something so you can get future benefit or future returns. And many people invest in businesses, work all kinds of crazy hours when that business is just getting started. They might not see a profit for a few years because they're investing their time, their energy, their money into this business with the hopes that they can benefit from it, their families can benefit from it. So that's kind of what investing is. So if you're thinking about or curious about what a definition of investing is, to me, I think that's pretty good. Committing something for benefit or profit in the future. And that something could be time, energy, or money. When you commit those resources, knowing with the expectation, hopefully, that you'll get a return on that investment. That could be dollars, that could be future wealth, that could be self-fulfillment, that could be a new job, college education. There's many ways, many variables to plug in there, but the main thing is committing something for a future return, future benefit. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Hopefully it kind of demystifies what investing is, and to show you that it's not all about, when you talk about investing, it's not all about the financial investments. That's a big part. That's probably what most people think of when we think of investing. But it can also be time, investing in yourself, and also be energy, developing, learning a skill, so on and so forth. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button so you can learn how to invest, how to create wealth, how to make money, save money, invest money, and live life on your own terms.